A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit. A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
So how did I make that image scale? I used Digen AI. But before we go to Digen AI, I was able to create an image using Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI. You come Leonardo AI. Leonardo.ai, which is when you register to take you to this platform, then I was able to create image, a 3D pizza style character of a child, of a wonderful. So you can create your image based on your own description. Leonardo AI gives you 150 coins on a daily basis. You can generate multiple image, and that will be sufficient for you. And I have this image already. And the next thing I did was to create a statement, a motivational statement, so like just like a bedtime story. Then you can create one by yourself, and you can also ask ChatGPT to compose one for you. And this one was composed by ChatGPT, and I went to 11Lab, 11Lab, 11lab.io is a platform where you can transform your text to speech, your text into speech. When you register for 11Lab, you have about 10,000 credits for yourself. You have about 10,000 credits. So I was able to copy the statements, and this is it. A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit. So I created this statement using ChatGPT because of this tutorial. Then I pasted it here, text to speech. I select text to speech on my left hand side. I pasted it here. After pasting it, the one thing I did was to search for the related voice that I would like to use. I love the voice of a girl. I would like to use that for this bedtime story. Then I came here by the right hand side to select a voice, search voices. I searched for voices and was able to find Gabby, children's story narrator. Are you getting it now? A children's story narrator. You can decide to choose Daniel, a strong voice, perfect for delivery based on the objective of your content. So I was able to get Gabby. Then after that, I click on regenerate speech. And after it was done, I was able to get this. Let me play it.
A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
So after that, I got this audio, and I was able to download here by the right hand side here. You click on download, then I got this audio version of that. I was able to get it. I click it. Let's listen to it right now.
A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
Okay, that is it. Let's listen to it.
A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again.
Okay, that is it. Now I have the image and I have the audio already. So the next thing, which is very specific to this tutorial, is to transform the image into a talking image using lip sync. And what we are going to be using, we are going to be using Digen AI. You go to your Google, you say Digen AI. You click Digen AI. It comes to this place, free AI video generator. You click on it. Then you pass through the registration. When you are done with that, it brings you to this kind of platform. So what I did was to upload the image first. And this is the platform where you get to Digen AI. It gives you free credit on a daily basis. So you can see this now. Then what I did was to upload it. Look at my left hand side. I click on upload. Then I was able to, this is the image. I got the image and I uploaded it. After uploading it, I had to bypass this place, real motion turbo. I don't really need much of this. The effect model. Then I came to this place, leap motion. Then you have two options to choose from. You have the Gen 3, which is the new Gen 3 model, generates highly realistic talking human videos with synchronized expression, lip movements, and speech. And you can also decide to choose the Gen 2, which is create speaking, singing, translating speeches, and MTV-style video, cinematic quality, up to 2 minutes long, bring authentic emotion to your creation. Then when I create, let me click Gen 2. Gen 2 will give you several options, either to use 5 minutes or 10 seconds, remove watermark, include watermark. But when you use Gen 3, it gives you the platform whereby you can see it now. You can decide to click on speech, get a speech for yourself from this platform, or you upload the speech that you created. You know, I created an audio speech, like a story. Then I click on this upload, then I click on this, then it's uploaded, and this is the upload of the speech.
A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
You can see, then it's already uploaded, or you can choose to record using your microphone or your laptop microphone to record. But I have the one I created using ElevenLabs already. Then I've uploaded it, and the next thing is to come to this place. You can choose to remove watermark. You can choose to include watermark. Okay, premium if you have to remove watermark. But even though you include watermark, you can decide to go to a watermark remover platform to remove the watermark. Okay, so when I did this, and the next thing that I did is that they have to generate video by removing 50 credit out of the credit that you have to be able to generate that video, and the audio is 8 seconds. So what I did was to click on generate. I click on generate, and it gave me this. It took some time for it to generate because you can decide to use the fast free channel, which can take up to 9 minutes to generate. You can choose to use the ultra channel when you have upgraded to the premium plan, which can only take up to 1 minute wait to generate. But I was able to wait for about either 6 minutes or 7 minutes. Then I was able to generate the talking image. Look at it here.
A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the because she never quit.
You can see the originality. You can see the originality here. You can see. Let me play it
A
again.
girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
Wow, this is nice. This is very, very nice. Okay, let's decide. Let me use another image. Let me use another image. Let me upload the other image. The other image. Okay. Let me download this image from the one I created from yeah, let me download image from Leonardo AI, which I created. Okay, then let me download image, and then let's go to Digen AI and upload that particular image, and see what it gives to us again. Let's see. Okay, that image is uploaded. I bypass all this. I already have the uh the the audio uploaded already, which is the best time story. Then uploaded already, and all I need to do is I don't need to select the music. It's not singing. This is lip sync, whereby the image we have to talk. That is 50. You have to remove 50 credit out of the whole credit I have. You know, I've grown this credit to more than 5,000 credits. You can see because when you log in on a daily basis, you get credit for logging in. So, okay, let me generate this using 50 credit. Generate video. I click on generate video. And I have to wait. I have to wait. Okay, we are done with that. Okay, let's see. Let's open it. Click on this.
A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
You can see very ultra realistic. Realistic. That is Digen AI for you. Okay, we can decide to download it. You
A
come
girl
here.
fell climbing a hill, stood up,
Click on
tried again,
download.
and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
Yeah, it is downloaded. Let's open it as we download it.
A girl fell climbing a hill, stood up, tried again, and reached the top at sunrise because she never quit.
This is very realistic. You can see, you can see,
A girl fell
you can see, you can see, you can see. Very, very realistic. So thank you very much for staying on this tutorial. I want you to like, comment, and also share. Thank you. And also, I want you to subscribe to my channel.